Hey. Today we're going to be looking at my high conviction trades that I have going on right now. Actually, I already took a bunch of profit on this trade, but it pulled back. The market has pulled back, so we have another opportunity. I'm not doubling down. I'm just going to let this run. At this point, I already took profit enough, but I just wanted to share this with you guys. So here, in March of this year, March 12th, right? March 12th. This is me telling the group chat to look into software, right? Because y'all know software is getting beat down. And I was like, I like Microsoft. I've been using ServiceNow since 2020. I had they cert before I even know what IT really was. I'm gonna look into this. But because most software companies are expensive, I said, let me find a ETF strictly for software. When I looked at the chart looked beautiful, and I bought it at the bottom. Obviously, it's 3 months later. I ran it up all the way to 150%. I took profit. Now we're back in the pullback cycle. So I'm gonna show you guys what the positions look like. And yeah, let's get into it. Before we do that, make sure y'all like, comment, or subscribe. What y'all get from this video, what y'all like to see from this videos or videos like this. I don't really do too much of my trades. I just really give you guys updates on what's going on in life and then keep pushing. But if you like more videos where I show you guys what I'm doing actively in my portfolios, let's get straight into it. It's your boy. But for those that are not familiar with your boy, it's your boy Femi Abdul. I am a 24-year-old Army veteran. Background is in operations and logistics, and I just use that to try to make some more chicken out the market. I haven't had a job for about 4 years since I got injured from the military. I've been in school full time, just learning. Also trying to just learn about life, world. I've been fortunate enough to travel a bunch to just see what's out there. And I just feel like bringing the world along with me. The goal is to help somebody out there in the world. I didn't come from money. I am not rich. I just want to grow at my own pace and help people along the way. That's the goal of this channel. So take that and do with that information what you will. Let's get straight into the video, y'all. So let's get into it. This is IGV right here. This is what I mean by I saw it. I spoke about it. I told the boys about it. And then I was like, I like this. I really do like this. I really do like this. And I don't know if I have a screenshot of us hitting 100%. I actually have a couple other things hitting 100%, but we're not even going to hyper focus on that. So this is what I saw. IGV, the ETF, the software ETF. And I saw this and I'm like, I've never had the opportunity to see a drastic pullback of this magnitude in the ETF yet. If you're new here, a little heads up, I have only been in this investing market or investing game for about two years fully. I've never seen a pullback of this magnitude. So I'm like, IGV software. I already knew I liked Microsoft and I already was familiar with ServiceNow. So I looked into it. I saw the chart look beautiful right here, y'all. Falling all the way down here. I just got in and I got in on a long-term thing. I didn't get no swings, no day trades. See, I'm thinking long-term here. So we got it on a long-term thing over a year out. At one point I had 6 of these babies. No, I really only have maybe 4 max because I took profit at 100%. And that's just to get my initial money that I put into the actual position just out the way, because 100% is times 2, blah, 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 blah. You get the picture. So now I'm basically running with house money as far as this trade is going, which is why I wanted to show you guys how it happened. So I entered, ran all the way up. You see it, baby. Ran all the way up. And this right here that it came up to is actually resistance, but we ain't worried about that right now. We're not worried about that right now. Got in, we got support, and then I was okay, cool. Once we claimed support, I got in again. You know what I mean? And then we ran all the way up, got my 100%, got out. Bam, easy money. Now we coming back to test that same support level. We won the game, as y'all see. Overnight, we going back up. We might come back and test it later, but if we come back and touch it, I'm not buying anything. I'm just holding because I have time. Emphasis on time. These are leaps. These aren't swings. These aren't day trades. I already got 100% out of this. I don't need to stress. I have a full-time job now. I'm definitely not trying to stress. I'm not day trading anything. Leaps, I'm leaping everything I feel like I believe in. Right? Cool story. So we're here. IGV. This is the whole of software, actually, by the way. So now we're here pulling back, and I'm just sitting back and relaxing. You heard? And now the position's only up 30%. We have another position up 50%. And the thing is, if you look, they have time on them. So we're going to let this thing marinate. And I'm going to give y'all an update on IGV every couple months just to see where we at. You know what I mean? Trading could be easy. You ain't got to stress for real. You know, you buy it the first time, you get confirmation, you buy it the second time, and then you just sit and wait, and then you post up, kick back, relax, watch. Let the fluctuation fluctuate. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I think I believe I can hold. I really do believe I can hold this position for the duration of the contract, because it's for 2 years. I have one for next year, so that's going to be the next one I'm taking profit on. I'm probably not going to touch that until it hits 500%, because I already touched 100%. Hopefully I get 1,000% if Microsoft wakes up. Anything that's possible, you feel me? But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, y'all. I know it's pretty short. I just wanted to show y'all what I saw, the liquid position I got into IGV, you know what I mean? If y'all see anything else y'all want to take advantage of, I didn't tell you to do anything. Just do your own research. I am not your financial advisor. I don't know what I'm talking about. I'm just a young buck trying to make some chicken as fast as possible while keeping it safe. This options trading thing is only also 30% of my portfolio, so you know where my head is at now. I used to be that aggro guy all the way. I was 90% options, and I thought I was doing something. You're always overly confident. Now I'm just like, cool story. You day trade? I respect it. You know what I mean? Yeah, you day trade? Cool. I respect it. I like stress-free life. You know what I mean? I don't got enough chicken to be day trading yet, but the goal is to get there. If y'all enjoyed this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. It's your boy Femi Abdul. I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. Stay positive, stay motivated. Peace and love, baby.